Welcome. Today we will be demonstrating the setup of our TM1000, how to integrate it into our onboard computer so we can activate the printing sequence and set up the messages. The first thing that we need to do is plug in our USB. The next thing to do is put in our, or insert our USB dongle. Then we'll come up to my computer, go into Manage, into Device Manager, scroll down to Ports, COM and LPT and select the USB serial. And then go into my computer and we'll open up the CD. The CD will be supplied with the system. Once we insert it into our drive, we'll install Console Pro. Just double click that and follow the prompts. We're going to enter Console Pro Plus. And we can select from our range of saved messages. We'll then go into the settings, COM port settings, and select our in used COM10. Remove that, remove our COM3, and double click our COM10, and then close. We'll then go into print settings. Now we will install, but before we do that, we need to turn on. So on the switchboard here, this is all integrated into a Flamingo Products fully stainless steel 304 food belt conveyor with variable speed drive. We can see that our Console Pros are on, well, our print stations, sorry. These can be toggled on and off by the on and off buttons. Okay. So once they're turned on, we can now click Install. It's loading, and we can see that both of our print stations have been installed. So these serial numbers are in reference to the different print stations that we have set up. These can be found on the print station itself.
So if the serial number is ended by 73, that's the top one.
And 606 is our horizontal print.
So in that setting, what we can do is just put first print head.
So that's print head number 1, the one at the top, and we can select all of our 4 nozzles. So this would be 1 print head, so that would be 25, I'm sorry,
if you want to set up, if you want to set up one by one the print heads, because that every print station has 4 print head. So if you want to set up just one by one, first one, for example, first print head will print like this direction or this direction, this. So if you want to set up one by one, you can select one print head will print ½ inch, second one will half. But make it easy like that.
That way we can select
all 4 print head will set up by this one, by this configuration. So you can see X is horizontal delay, Y is vertical delay, and all your print head will print this direction. So if you want to save your ink, you can put these nozzles or the odd nozzles or both of them, which means it will print very dark. So we recommend to save your ink, put the save mode with the even. Okay, now print station 2. It's horizontal one. That one. Same direction is other way. Yeah, this one's. And apply. Apply to all. I'm saving the parameters. Done. Apply to all. Yes. Okay. And close. Now again, go to print setting, production line. This is the one production line, whole system. So, but in this production line, we are included just one print station. So, select that one, add. So, in that production line, we are included now 2 print stations. And system, that's the timing date counter. If you want, you can tick the counter alarm. You can put your current date, and each measuring unit will be metric, and you can export import all the messages from here. So apply, send into PS1, print station 1 and print station 2. Done. Now we can close it. Now here is your production line. If you have, for example, 2 production line, you can disable one by one, or you can disable the print heads. So that's the part 1, how to set up your print stations and how to plug into your computer and how to go to the Console Pro. Thank you.